I wouldn't say a die-hard iPhone fan, but iPhone, if I'm being real, bro, it's for the ladies, man. Like it just shows a certain level of status when you have an iPhone. So yeah, that's pretty much why I have an iPhone. But to kind of like go into the specs of with it, because I know that there were a lot of, and I ain't 800 for this is crazy, bro. That's wild, man. I'm not paying 800 for a phone, bro. That, bro, bro, yo. I'm not paying 800 for the phone that looks just looks like the iPhone 11, but that is crazy, man. But yeah, and like some few camera tweaks or whatever, bro. Like I'm not paying for that, bro. But to go into exactly like like what is the new specs on the iPhone 17? Let's read up on it. So same pre-order, and looks like it's releasing next week. So today is Thursday. So that is if it's the 9th or the 19th. Yeah, that would be wait, I think you all can see my calendar. You see? Yeah, you all can see. Let me just exit some of these things here. Damn it, bro. Clear all. Clear all. Bro, okay, never mind. Bro. Um bro, I don't know why I have all the notifications on, man. That's crazy. But yeah, basically that'll be next week Friday. It looks like that'll be released. So pretty interesting stuff, man. So uh so they're saying that it has a brighter display. Wait, is this like what is this? Oh, this is like some JavaScript that they're doing here with this thing. Okay, well, let me put this on pause. So they're saying that a brighter display now with ProMotion up to 120 hertz, durable Sher Sherman Shield 2 front with 3x better um scratch resistance. To me now there's like less scratch resistance and a brighter display. Okay. I mean, I don't know why that should cost like 800, but I mean, it is what it is. But it's a new center stage front camera, flexible way to frame your shot, smarter group selfies, and so much more. So basically, you can take better selfies for 800 bucks. Great. Um, Now they're saying 48 mega MP. Wait, what's the meaning of MP? Hold on. Let's look at this real quick. Let's duplicate this. They say that 40 MB means a camera's image sensor has 48 megapixels or 40 million pixels to capture an image. So basically, they're saying that they just improve the camera again for 800 bucks. Cool. You know what? Wait, hold on, right? Let me look at this iPhone 16 MP front camera. Wow. So basically, so wait, bro. Wait, so you trying to tell me I'm getting the same phone, right, for a much expensive price, but it has the same camera. Bro, am I tweaking? Like, bro, wait, let me. Does the iPhone 15 have the same thing? Hold on, let's see, bro. Even the iPhone 15, bro, man, yo, be getting scammed with these phones, man. I'm gonna keep it real, bro. Like, yo, but anyhow, so yeah, so they say that there's a better, quote unquote, better camera. Um, Now they say A19 chip, all the battery life powers everything you love about iPhone. So they're saying that you have a stronger battery system now. Wait, now do they have the A19 chip in the other one though? Let's see. iPhone 16. No, I guess not. Okay, never mind. Right, and then now they're saying that now with iPhone 17, you're also getting like the latest version of iOS 26. Let's see what else. Apple Intelligence, effortless, helpful features from images creation to live translation. So being not basically like they can translate calls. I think I've also mentioned this with like I think Google's like new phone has the same system as well to where it can like translate like calls of the 10 different languages. So yeah. So saying that it can translate like different calls and stuff like that. Which, that is pretty cool. I won't lie. Especially like if someone who doesn't speak like English or whatever properly, like they can just read it from there, you know. Let's go down. Let's see like there's 3 different colors. Let's see displays showing like the front camera scratch like or like scratch resistance, I guess if you want to call it that. Action button. See now basically now there's an action button added to it. So it's saying now basically like if you press on this button now, like it basically activates whatever you want it to be, right? And then basically like display island, this is like if you're listening to like Spotify or Apple Podcasts or whatever, it now shows like on top of your screen. Right, and it's showing like the different cameras, the selfies, basically giving you like features on how it will look. Which I mean to me this isn't really that exciting, to be honest. And here's one thing as well, I've never seen so like they never like speak about the security improvements as well. That's something I always realize about these phone companies that they always like let everybody know about the big features but never tell them about like what are they never mention like the security features that they added to like to their phone or to their device. So let's scroll out there. Say up to 50% charge in 20 minutes. So mean that you have a fastest, which is good though. So mean that like your phone could probably maybe reach like what 100% in like let's say like in under hour, I guess, which is pretty good. And it like give me different comparisons or the showing like different features. Now I say, oh yeah, I remember this like glass feature I was talking about, which to me, as I said, 800 bucks for this. I mean, uh I mean, to me, I rather skip to be honest, man. But I'm not hating. If you want to buy it, you all do you, man. It's your money, bro. But I mean, looking at this, I'm not really that impressed, to be honest. So the phone is larger as well. So now, oh no, wait, no, the Air is larger, but the iPhone 17 is smaller. Let's see. Okay, and look like that's it. Well, to be honest, man, like I'm gonna keep it all the way 100, bro. This is not impressing. Um, bro, there's no way I'm paying 800 bucks for this. That is insane for like a couple of features, bro. Like it's not that like, bro. I literally still have an iPhone 11 and an XR, bro. Like I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling with those two devices, bro. So yeah, it's a no for me, dog. You know what I mean? So yeah. Right, let's skip this. Oh yeah, I did have a video here from this guy, but I think I would have gotten copyright strikes. So I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do that, bro. And let's go now into my next topic, which is the N8N explained in 2 minutes. I have no idea what N8N is, so
N8N is an
we're gonna learn something here new today. All right, let's go.